Are you tired of yo-yo dieting? Do you find yourself constantly jumping from one diet to another, only to see minimal results that don't last? Have you tried every fad diet out there, only to end up back where you started? It's frustrating, isn't it? The promises of quick fixes and miracle solutions often lead to disappointment and a sense of failure. But what if I told you there's a better way to lose weight and improve your health? A method that doesn't involve starving yourself or giving up your favorite foods. Imagine enjoying a balanced meal without the guilt. Be sure to watch to the end, because we're going to talk about intermittent fasting, and it's changing the way people think about weight loss. This isn't just another diet trend, it's a lifestyle change that can lead to sustainable results. If you want to learn more about how to lose weight fast, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet in the traditional sense. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. This approach can fit into any lifestyle, making it accessible and flexible for everyone. It's more of an eating pattern. By cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule, you can harness the body's natural rhythms to optimize health and weight loss. It's about cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule, and it can be surprisingly easy and effective. Many people find it liberating to not be constantly thinking about food. Intermittent fasting might sound intimidating, but it's actually a very simple concept. Instead of focusing on what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat. You cycle between periods of eating and fasting, and there are different methods to choose from. Some people find it easier to fast for longer periods, while others prefer shorter fasts. The key is to find what works best for you and your lifestyle. The beauty of intermittent fasting is its flexibility. It's not about deprivation. It's about finding an eating pattern that you can stick to long-term. And the best part? The benefits go far beyond weight loss. Intermittent fasting isn't one-size-fits-all. It's a flexible approach to eating that can be tailored to fit your unique lifestyle and goals. There are several different approaches, each with its own unique set of rules and benefits. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your metabolic health, or simply find a more structured way to eat, there's likely a method that will suit your needs. Let's take a look at some of the most popular methods and see how they work. 16/8 method. This is one of the simplest and most popular forms of intermittent fasting. It's easy to follow and can fit into most people's daily routines without much hassle. You fast for 16 hours each day and restrict your eating to an 8-hour window. This method is often chosen by those who find it easier to skip breakfast and start their eating window later in the day. For example, you might skip breakfast and eat your meals between noon and 8 p.m. This way, you can still enjoy lunch and dinner, making it a convenient option for many. 5/2 method. With this method, you eat normally for 5 days a week and then restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. This approach can be effective for those who prefer not to fast every day. Eat, stop, eat. This involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. It's a more intense form of intermittent fasting, but can yield significant benefits for those who can handle longer fasting periods. For example, you might eat dinner on Monday evening and then not eat again until dinner on Tuesday evening. This method requires a bit more discipline but can be very effective for weight loss and metabolic health. The best method for you will depend on your individual preferences, lifestyle, and goals. It's important to choose a method that you can stick with long-term, as consistency is key to seeing results. Experiment with different approaches to find what feels most sustainable and enjoyable for you. Remember, the best diet is the one that you can maintain and that makes you feel your best. Happy fasting! One of the primary reasons intermittent fasting has gained so much popularity is its effectiveness in promoting weight loss. By reducing your calorie intake during fasting periods, you naturally create a calorie deficit, which is essential for shedding those extra pounds. But intermittent fasting goes beyond simple calorie restriction. It triggers a cascade of metabolic changes within your body that optimize fat burning. During fasting, your insulin levels drop, which signals your body to start burning stored fat for energy. Moreover, intermittent fasting can help regulate your appetite hormones, making it easier to control cravings and stick to a healthy eating pattern. It's a sustainable approach to weight loss that addresses both the physical and psychological aspects of eating. Beyond weight loss, the health benefits of intermittent fasting. While weight loss is a significant benefit of intermittent fasting, its advantages extend far beyond slimming your waistline. This eating pattern has been studied extensively and has shown promising results in various aspects of health and wellness. Intermittent fasting has been linked to a wide range of health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity. This means your body becomes more efficient at managing blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing metabolic diseases. Intermittent fasting can help improve your body's response to insulin, reducing your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, it can lead to reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. By reducing inflammation, intermittent fasting can help mitigate these risks. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can lead to improved overall health and well-being. Another significant benefit is heart health. Intermittent fasting can improve various heart health markers, such as lowering blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. These changes can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Brain boost. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may enhance brain function, protect against neurodegenerative diseases, and even improve memory. This is because fasting can stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports brain health. Fasting periods allow your body to focus on cellular repair and remove waste products, promoting longevity and overall health. This process, known as autophagy, helps to keep your cells functioning optimally and can contribute to a longer, healthier life. Real people, real results. Intermittent fasting success stories. Countless individuals have experienced life-changing transformations through intermittent fasting. From significant weight loss to improved energy levels and reduced disease risk, the success stories are inspiring and motivating. Take, for instance, Sarah, a 45-year-old woman who struggled with her weight for years. After adopting the 16-8 method of intermittent fasting, she lost 25 pounds in just a few months. More importantly, her energy levels soared, and she felt more confident than ever. Then there's John, a 50-year-old man who was pre-diabetic. By incorporating intermittent fasting into his routine, he was able to reverse his pre-diabetes and regain control of his health. These are just two examples of the countless individuals who have benefited from this powerful lifestyle change. Your intermittent fasting journey starts now. A beginner's guide. Ready to start your own intermittent fasting journey? Here's a simple guide to get you started. 1. Choose your method. Select an intermittent fasting method that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. 2. Start gradually. Don't try to do too much too soon. Ease into intermittent fasting by gradually extending your fasting periods. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee during your fasting windows to stay hydrated and curb hunger. 4. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Break your fast with healthy, whole foods that provide sustained energy and nourishment. 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger cues and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a healthcare professional if necessary. Listen to your body tips for intermittent fasting success. As you embark on your intermittent fasting journey, remember that it's essential to listen to your body and adjust your approach as needed. Here are some additional tips for success. Break your fast gently. When it's time to eat, start with small, easily digestible meals to avoid overwhelming your digestive system. Get enough sleep. Prioritize quality sleep, as it plays a crucial role in regulating your appetite hormones and supporting overall health. Manage stress. Stress can trigger cravings and make it harder to stick to your fasting routine. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Be patient and consistent. Intermittent fasting is a marathon, not a sprint. Results take time, so be patient with yourself and stay consistent with your chosen method. Intermittent fasting is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle shift that can transform your health and well-being. By harnessing the power of intermittent fasting, you can lose weight, improve your overall health, and feel more energized than ever before. Ready to join the intermittent fasting revolution? Start by exploring the different methods, choose one that resonates with you, and embark on your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Let's be real. We all want that magic solution for weight loss, that one weird trick that melts away the pounds. But you and I both know it doesn't exist. The real secret? It's about having the right strategy and staying consistent. Stick with me to the end of this video, because I'm going to break down 8 proven weight loss tips that actually work. We're talking real, sustainable change, not some fad diet that disappears faster than your motivation after week 1. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos packed with tips and tricks to help you reach your weight loss goals. We've all been there, setting some crazy weight loss goal only to crash and burn a few weeks later. It leaves you feeling defeated, right? That's why setting realistic, achievable goals is absolutely crucial. I'm talking about goals that make you go, okay, I can totally do this, not ones that make you want to crawl under a rock with a bag of chips. One of the most effective methods I've found is setting SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to lose weight, get specific. Say, I want to lose 1 to 2 pounds this week. See the difference? It's measurable, it's achievable, it's relevant to your overall goal, and it has a deadline. As an example, there's one woman who was determined to lose 20 pounds in a month. Now, that's a pretty aggressive goal, and it wasn't going to be sustainable or healthy in the long run. She instead aimed for a more realistic 1 to 2 pounds a week. Guess what? She not only hit her weekly goals consistently, but she also felt empowered by her progress. That feeling of accomplishment is what fuels your motivation and keeps you going. Don't fall into the trap of setting yourself up for failure with unrealistic expectations. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Celebrate the small victories, and trust me, those big wins will come. Okay, let's talk about food. And I'm not talking about deprivation or crazy restrictive diets. I'm talking about fueling your body with the good stuff, whole, unprocessed foods that nourish you from the inside out. Think about it this way. Your body is your temple, and you wouldn't fill your temple with junk, right? So why treat your body any differently? Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are like the premium fuel for your body. They're packed with essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that keep you feeling satisfied and energized. When you eat whole foods, you're not only giving your body the nutrients it needs to function properly, but you're also helping to regulate your blood sugar levels, which is key for weight management. Plus, the fiber in whole foods helps you feel fuller for longer, so you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. I'm not saying you can never have a slice of pizza or a scoop of ice cream. It's all about balance. But make whole foods the star of your plate, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes in how you feel and how your clothes fit. Remember, you can enjoy delicious food and still reach your weight loss goals. It's about making sustainable choices that support your overall health and well-being. You've probably heard it a million times, but I'm going to say it again. Drink your water. Seriously, water is like magic for your body, and it plays a crucial role in weight loss. First of all, water helps to flush out toxins and impurities that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. It also helps to boost your metabolism and burn calories more efficiently. But here's the kicker. Water is a natural appetite suppressant. Often, when we think we're hungry, we're actually just dehydrated. Drinking a glass of water before meals can help you feel fuller, so you eat less and make healthier choices. Make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go. Keep it on your desk at work, in your car, and even next to your bed. Set reminders on your phone to drink water throughout the day. Find what works for you and make hydration a non-negotiable part of your routine. All right, let's talk about exercise. And before you roll your eyes and click away, hear me out. I'm not talking about spending hours at the gym every day. It's about finding activities you enjoy and making them a regular part of your routine. Exercise is not just about burning calories. It's about strengthening your body, boosting your metabolism, and improving your overall health and well-being. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. And who doesn't want to feel happier and more energized? The key is to find activities that you genuinely enjoy. If you hate running, don't force yourself to do it. Go for a hike, try a dance class, swim, bike, or find a sport you love. The possibilities are endless. And remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. It doesn't have to be all at once either. Break it up into smaller chunks throughout the day if that's easier for you. The important thing is to move your body and challenge yourself physically. Real quick, if you're finding this information helpful, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this to help you live a healthy lifestyle. This one might surprise you, but getting enough sleep is crucial for weight loss. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat storage. Not what we want, right? Lack of sleep also messes with your hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, the I'm hungry hormone, goes into overdrive when you're tired, while leptin, the I'm full hormone, takes a nosedive. This hormonal imbalance leads to increased cravings, particularly for sugary and fatty foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine that helps signal your body it's time to wind down. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, and put away those electronic devices at least an hour before you hit the hay. The power of mindful eating. Let's be real. How often do you eat your meals while scrolling through social media, watching TV, or working at your desk? If you're like most people, the answer is probably too often. But here's the thing. When you eat mindlessly, you're not really paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. Mindful eating is all about being present in the moment with your food. It's about savoring each bite, paying attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas, and recognizing when you're actually full and satisfied. It's about ditching the distractions and really tuning in to your body's signals. Start by slowing down your eating. Chew your food thoroughly and put your fork down between bites. Pay attention to how your body feels as you eat. Are you still hungry, or are you starting to feel full? It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you're full, so slowing down gives your body time to catch up. I remember when I first started practicing mindful eating, it was a game changer for me. I realized how often I was eating out of boredom, stress, or simply because the food was there, not because I was actually hungry. By becoming more mindful of my eating habits, I was able to make healthier choices and develop a healthier relationship with food. Track your journey. The power of a food journal. Keeping a food journal might seem old school, but trust me, it's a powerful tool for weight loss. When you track what you eat, you become more aware of your eating habits, both good and bad. It helps you identify patterns, triggers, and areas where you can make healthier choices. There are tons of ways to track your food intake. You can use a notebook, an app on your phone, or even just jot it down on sticky notes. The method you choose doesn't matter as much as the consistency of tracking. Be honest with yourself when you're keeping your food journal. Don't try to hide or downplay your indulgences. Remember, this is about self-awareness and accountability, not judgment. The more honest you are with yourself, the more valuable your food journal will be. The power of support. Weight loss can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or even an online community can make all the difference. Having a support system in place can provide you with encouragement, accountability, and motivation when you need it most. Talk to your loved ones about your weight loss goals and ask for their support. Join an online forum or Facebook group where you can connect with others who are on a similar journey. Accountability is key when it comes to reaching your goals. When you know someone is counting on you, you're more likely to stay on track. Find a workout buddy, join a fitness class, or even just share your progress with a friend or family member who will cheer you on. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are people who care about you and want to see you succeed. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help when you need it. These were 8 proven weight loss tips that actually work. We talked about setting realistic goals, fueling your body with whole foods, staying hydrated, incorporating regular exercise, prioritizing sleep, practicing mindful eating, keeping a food journal, and seeking support. Remember, you don't have to implement all of these tips at once. Start with 1 or 2 that resonate with you and gradually incorporate others as you progress. Make small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, and you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve. Now, I want to hear from you. Which tip are you going to implement this week? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks to help you live your healthiest, happiest life. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you want to learn more about how to lose weight fast, watch this next video.